Hi, and good morning, everybody. Welcome to today's video. So my name is Sam Thompson. I'm a mortgage agent in the Barrie Simcoe area. If you're familiar with our channel, Joe and myself usually go through Canadian Mortgage Weekly, which airs every Thursday at 11:30, where we cover off mortgage topics from refinancing to first-time buyers to incentive announcements. And today I'm with you to share and review the Bank of Canada interest rate announcement. So that happened today. They meet approximately 8 times every year. So that ended up today. I think the last one was on April 21st, where they had announced that interest rates were staying the same. So we will get into what they announced on their newest announcement to everybody this morning. So it looks like the same as the last, few times that we've seen the Bank of Canada make an announcement. They are still keeping the interest rate the same. There are whole loans that are on repayment or variable rate credit card payments. So anybody with a variable rate, there's not going to be any changes soon. The next rate is going to be in July. I think it's July 14th. Maybe it's close to that date. But we will have another video updating you on the policy change as it happens. So we see a lot of people that are going for a variable rate, especially, recently we've been seeing a lot of people moving their mortgage into a variable, or they're refinancing into a variable, or even when they're purchasing, they're looking more at a variable rate versus a fixed rate, because it has shown, time over time that a variable rate will save you money in interest costs over the life of, say, a mortgage, compared to a fixed rate. Now, the big difference with a variable rate is, you have to keep up with, these type of announcements where we go through, is the rate staying the same? Is it rising? Is it lowering? You have to sort of keep a pulse of where the rate is at, and that's directly going to affect what your payments will end up being. So although there are savings in the long run, proven over a fixed rate versus a variable rate, over the life of your mortgage, you're expected to save more on interest, but you do have that added risk, I guess, or even uncertainty that the rate could go up or it could lower. So if that's something that you're interested in switching into for a variable rate, it looks like it's still going to be remaining the same at a low rate. Or if you're somebody, a lot of our first time buyers end up going with a fixed rate because it just provides them with the security and that cash flow stability that the payment is locked in. It's fixed for their 5-year term, if that's what they choose to go with. So thank you for coming out and being a part of this interest rate announcement. Hopefully, we'll see the rate remaining low, so that a lot of buyers can, keep capitalizing on this variable rate, or even for anybody looking to refinance into a variable rate. If you are interested at all, please give us a shout at the office. You can direct message us through Facebook, add a comment to this video on Facebook or YouTube, or send our office an email. And I do also want to do a quick plug. If you're watching this video, if you come out tomorrow at 11:30 a.m., we will be going through our next video in the Spring into Summer series. So you really don't want to miss that. I'm going to be going through the refinancing process for any sort of indoor entertainment space, or any sort of security systems to hook up to your house. So if you've been following the series, we've gone through outdoor decks, pools, some sort of landscaping. We've gone through fixing some of your big ticket items that are aging, such as a furnace or a roof. And we're continuing that series tomorrow, looking at the indoor entertainment spaces so that you can enjoy COVID from inside your home without missing out on any of the fun. So again, that's going to be tomorrow at 11:30 a.m. But other than that, thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I hope